Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Yeah, this is gonna be brutal. Guess I didn't bring my keys with me. Oh well. No. Thank you. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah.
You see him in touch.
And, oh yeah, out here. Okay. 229 is what they said? Oh my god.
It's pretty great.
Oh nice. Okay.
That was a lot of emotions that series. I remember from literally the next face off, right off face off up to me and Colin White.
What up?
Just wanted to pay me back.
Wait a little bit.
Are they Carolina Hurricanes players or not?
They were Carolina Hurricanes players.
But they're not anymore?
They're not anymore, theoretically. I would assume they wouldn't put any like contracted player on the ice for something like this.
So that's how this is happening.
Yes.
I see.
Carter. You think Rod Brindamore's playing?
Oh, I hope so.
I hope he
I
is.
want to see him break his moves back.
Yeah.
But they don't have like the right
Still busting down.
system.
I can see it. I can see it. Oh, we're going.
I thought that would be louder.
Depends on the person. Too early.
It's been a long time since I've heard someone properly do it.
You can always tell when like a buff dude gets up there that you're like, all right, yeah, we're gonna get this.
He even gave us the right band.
I'm gonna sound bad.
All right, pick one.
Loud?
North Carolina, number 33,
In the area.
Edison
Makes sense to carry native place hockey, honestly.
Captain of your alumni team, number 17,
So much Riz, so much aura.
alumni team is coached by and join us as we honor America with a performance of the Star Spangled Banner, performed this evening by North Carolina State's Frigid Sound of the Ice.
birthday, Greg. Yeah! Woo! Oh, Greg's that one. No, that wasn't even close. Whoa. Don't be chucking your puck. There are kids here.
Oh my God, the goalie's going all the way out. Yeah! Players are going. Oh, the Canes are not having it. They are not having it.
They're out for blood.